Located on the back of your arm, 2 thumbs width above the wrist. On the sides of your wrist, locate your arm bones. That is the bumps at the end of the forearm bones, the radius, and the ulnar. Now find the point that is midway between, like this. Next, move up the arm the width of 2 thumbs and press in between the radius and the ulnar to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is triple heater 5, like this. Activate triple heater 5 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now locate and activate a triple heater 5 on your right hand.